In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva. Let's dive straight into the process to help you create an impressive and functional planner efficiently. To start, open Canva in your web browser or app, and in the search bar, type the word planner. This will bring up a vast selection of planner templates that Canva offers. You can take your time scrolling through the variety to find one that resonates with your personal style or functionality needs. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it to select. When you've selected your preferred template, look for the option to customize this template and click on it. This allows you to make the template your own, adapting it to suit your unique requirements. One of the features you might want to enhance is hyperlinking, and we'll get into that shortly. Next, navigate to the text tool by clicking on text in the menu on the left side of your workspace. This is where you can add customization by incorporating different text options to expand on your planner's functionality or aesthetic. Proceed by clicking on Add a Text box. By doing so, you have the flexibility to place text wherever you see fit within your planner. Adjust the text box by dragging it to your desired location on the planner. Placement is crucial, as you want the links to be easily identifiable and accessible for anyone using your digital planner. Now that you've placed the text box where you want, type in a label such as "click here." This label is important as it directs users on where to click to access linked content. This can include links to websites, documents, or additional pages within your planner. To proceed with hyperlinking, click on the link icon, which is typically found on the top right of the screen when your text box is selected. This will prompt an input field where you can paste the desired URL that you want the text to redirect to. Whether this link leads to a separate page in your planner or an external website, ensure the URL is correct so that the linking process is seamless for users. Finally, after you've pasted the link, conclude the hyperlinking process by clicking Done. This will finalize your changes, embedding the hyperlink into the text box you created. Repeat these steps as necessary to finish creating your digital planner, complete with functional hyperlinks. And there you have it, a personalized digital planner with hyperlinks that functions just the way you envisioned. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your Canva skills. Don't forget to save your work and share your planner with others who might find it useful. Happy planning!